Oh, come on. There. There he is.
All right, what's up, Joe?
What's happening?
Not a whole lot. I was looking at the the dashboard now. It looks really good.
Okay, cool.
I couldn't find how to edit the pricing though. I didn't see that override tab.
All right, let me. I added it last night, so
Okay.
let me. And I don't want to approve it until we kind of go through it. Let me see how I.
But I mean, just so I'm clear. So you put all the pricing for the tours and the hours, and so that's just like all done forever. That's like kind of the standard, and then I can just pick particular dates and then edit that. So that would be great.
That is what the intent is. So,
Okay.
All right. So I have this is I'm not worried about the pricing rules. Can you see what do you see? Create override?
Pricing overrides, yeah.
Okay. So what we have is we'll just call this, and we may need to change how we do the numbers. So let's just call it New Year's Eve. And you can do, I haven't tested this fixed price, but exact price for, I don't know if it's every freaking bus, there's a minimum price, which I don't like that. I don't know how you want to do it. Did you want to do a multiplier, or did you want to add some sort of just a fee to each one, or this fixed price? I don't exactly see how that's going to work. Let me look at something.
I mean, if it's easier just to do like the percentage, that's probably, that sounds like that'd be the easiest. I could just increase it or decrease it.
Okay, so let's just say you would want to do an increase from what? For what bus? Let's just say. Let's just test it.
Okay.
What would you want? Like,
are you picking like a particular, like a size, a 24 passenger?
Yeah, I mean, it would be just give me something that you would do this to. Like when or why would you do this?
Saturday, April 4th. I want to increase every price by 20%.
Okay, so 1.2. So this is a 0.5. Well, 2 would double. So 20% would be. We don't want double. We want that. That's 20%. So we'll just say what day?
April 4th. It's a Saturday, I think. Yeah.
And it'll be all bookings. 10. I don't know where it came up with 12, but it's for other things too. So, and this includes breweries.
Yeah. I don't want to do river trips. I'll keep river trips the same.
All right, let's see. Okay, so what is the normal price? Let's just look real quick. An hourly rental for 16 on any old day.
On weekends, it's $150 an hour.
So we'll just do this. So 5 hours is 900. Is that correct?
$750.
Wait, what is it? 150 times
150 an hour.
Okay, so why am I getting that? This is where testing comes in. This is why we have to.
I'm not seeing anything.
Oh, you don't see anything?
I see pricing over. I don't see anything changing.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Share screen. All right, we'll do that. All right, so I've got to find out why this is that way. All right, let me look at something. Hourly pricing rules. All right, so it says weekend pricing is 150 an hour. Flat rate. Okay. All right, I don't know why. Let me come back over here. Something's happening weird. Hourly?
Hmm.
900 times 5. Why is that?
Is it adding gratuity? Maybe.
No. It's got no gratuity. See, here's what's happening. Over here, you see how this is correct?
Yeah.
And then this over here. All right, let me do something. This is why I have to have assistance with the testing, because I can't see every possible angle, and it's an easy fix. But I need to when I make changes, when I'm switching the screen, do you see what's happening?
Yeah.
All right, hold on.
So you're in Claude code now?
Yeah,
That's
I'm
what
in
you've been
Claude
using?
Code. Yeah. So it was the 27th. So what I do is I just go back and forth like this, knowing whatever the things are. So probably what'll be simple is we can just go back and forth and look for errors, and I've got this recording, so then I can go back and do and we can find them all. But I just want to show you the kind of the process. All right, so I have it going over there and complaining. Go ahead.
If it was 750,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
It's
If it
correct
was,
here. It's just reflecting. So what's happening is
if it adds 20%, the total will be 900. So maybe it's just adding.
Yeah.
The gratuity.
So remember how we had it automatically doing the 20%?
Yeah. I
That's
think
probably what it is.
yeah, I think it's
And it
adding the
just didn't,
gratuity.
it didn't pick it up here. So that's probably right. So I have to go through each one and iterate through each one, which I can do that. All right, let's look at. So it's correct. It's just adding in the gratuity. All right, let's go back to the pricing override. So on April the 4th, we wanted to increase the price by 20% across the board. Let's make sure our math works. So what was it normally supposed to be? 750?
Yeah.
Oh, I did the wrong bus. No, I didn't. Uh, 1080. Let's go over here. So it should be 900. So it is. That's at 20%.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. That's what's happened. All right. So I have no gratuity. So I had it bumped to where it says, is that correct? 900? Is that your 20% increase?
No, I mean it says 5 hours.
Yeah. So we did 5 hours. What should it normally be?
750.
Okay. So it's 900. So that's correct. So it did it correctly.
Well, no, well, you say it says no gratuity.
Yeah, but we took the gratuity. We don't want to see gratuity. If the price is normally 750, right?
Right.
Okay. But on this day, we said we want a 20% increase.
You're increasing. I gotcha. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was just normal.
Yeah.
You
No. So if I add the gratuity, then it goes to the correct amount. So what's going on is, all right. So it's, we guessed it right. Give me a second. All right, so while that's coming up with something, we are going to check over here. Well, wrong side. So we'll fix that in a minute. Now we're going to look at wine tours. Our brewery tour. Normally they're a Sunday, a Saturday for 6 hours, 10 a.m. What is it supposed to be?
For what?
What's it supposed to be?
What is what supposed to be?
What can you see? All right, this is the price of a 16-passenger Austin brewery tour for 5 hours or 6 hours. I've got $900.
Okay, yeah. I mean, on a normal day, I guess it'd be 750, 150 an hour.
All right, so let's see
5
if it's
hours.
Okay, so what is this? The 6 hours. What is 6 hours supposed to be?
900.
Okay, so it's 900. All right, so we have that. So that's correct. Now we're going to pick a new day. To see if it overrides. 6 hours, 10 a.m. This did not override.
I didn't see you pick a new day. Where did you do that?
Right here.
Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. Yeah, the screen was up. I couldn't see it.
So it did not catch it. So here, all right, I got to remember that. So it did not catch the tours.
Okay.
And I need to figure that one out. Let's save it again. Try to go back. Now, you know all the pricing, so what it should be. This is a Dripping Spring wine tour. 6 hours, 10 a.m. What should I have? 986? What is that price?
I don't know.
Oh, I picked the 4th. So what would it normally be?
For how many hours?
Yeah, 6.
For a 16 passenger?
Yeah,
Be
on a
900.
Saturday. On 900.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. $86. I'm getting that. What the fuck is happening here? Hold on.
Were there any wine tastings selected?
Nothing yet. No, that comes over here. Let me look at tour pricing.
You know, the tours were kind of all weird as pricing wise. I recall.
Yeah, you see this? The 6 hours weekend I have at 845, but it's supposed to be a different price.
Yeah, it will.
So we just
See,
have
maybe,
I just have the wrong
yeah.
pricing in here.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So actually, yeah. So it did it right.
Okay, let's do the
845.
right price. What is weekday is what's supposed to be what?
For 6 hours. I think it's all the same. It's not $900. Oh, that's a 10 passenger.
Oh, okay. Let's do the right. Okay, so let's just do 16 to make sure we're right. I have 986. So that's the price we're at. What's the normal weekday for 6 hours?
I think it's all the same. $900. I think the weekends and weekdays are the same. I don't think there's a difference.
Okay. Well, that's what I gotta find. Hold on.
But yeah, it should just be 150 an hour, so $900 total.
Look at these people scooping in on your party bus action. Scumbags. All right, we're gonna do wine tours. We'll just do so 16 for 6 hours is supposed to be 900.
Yeah.
Wait, what day was that? Was it Saturday?
Yeah, Saturday, January 3rd.
And I'm gonna do a weekday. Is 650.
Wow. Okay.
So I just have to go through and update all these prices.
I can do that, right?
As soon as I get you the access, yeah. I mean, you can, but I want to make sure, and I want to make this dark lighter. Like these words, they're hard to read, so I want to make that lighter.
Oh, okay.
So let me make some updates, and then you can get access to it. But let's double check something. Like, looked like that was the only one that was weird, dude. It looks like it. Oh wow, I just picked the weirdest one. Okay.
Mm.
Go back. Okay, I'll just pick this. I want to see if it got if the price got right. All right, the price got right. So we're at 900 versus 986. Now we got to see if it picks up that
Yeah.
April 4th. No, it didn't pick it up. So we have to fix that. The pricing override.
Okay.
It just picked up these buses.
Okay.
Let's
Yeah, it's
do
not
it.
doing it. It's not doing any of the tours.
Yeah, let me do another one. Just as a separate thing. Tours optional. Empty equals all tours. Okay, well, let's see if
Oh,
that
maybe clicking on it like
took them out.
took them out. Yeah, that's probably okay.
All right, hold on. Let's cancel that. But it doesn't say anything, you see.
Yeah.
Um, it still didn't have them here, but let's just go look. No, not picking them up.
Okay.
All right, let's see if we add one. Well, fuck. All right, now let's test. No, still didn't get it. All right, so we have to fix that. It's not working the tours. It did the front, it did the hours, but not the tours as an override. Okay. Let's see, what else do we have? I got people asking for me. Okay. So, but this is pretty easy. Is this pretty easy to manage?
Yeah, it looks,
Is it easier than the other strategy?
I mean, whatever.
No, I'm just asking. I need it to be easy.
Yeah, no, I mean, like I said, that looks easy enough.
Okay. You can go, we'll fix that. You have that. This rules, I gotta double check. The tours is not working, so I've got to fix the tours. The gratuity, we have the gratuity thing we found that we got to keep, we got to adjust. But what else is there that you found or that you want that we need to work on, or that you've seen, or you want to? I can update some stuff and you can play some more.
Yeah. That I was just gonna say, yeah. Like I said, I couldn't get on the adjusting pricing, but yeah, I'll just start going through. If I can edit it myself, I'll just go through like all the days and prices, because this will be permanent. I mean, this is it. Like I can change all the prices, and then it's gonna stay that way, right? Until it changes again.
That's the intent, but I'm gonna have to. You're gonna change all the prices. I think actually they're all correct except that one, but you can go through and look.
Yeah,
I think that one was goofy. There's a couple others I see that they're kind of goofy, but you can see all that now, and you can change the pricing now. What you can't do, and you can, I don't know if you can see the override because I don't think I published it yet.
No, I can't see. That's what I was saying. I can't see the override yet.
So I'll publish the override, but I want to fix the 20% gap, or the 20% on that front page.
Yeah.
And then you can play around with it, because we just want to make sure that.
Okay.
Did you see the things on the calendar? So I adjusted it so you can just move from date to date now.
Oh, okay.
And you can, like, here, and then you can pick on that guy and actually click on it and see who it is.
Okay.
And if you need full details, then you can do that. And then if you need to charge the balance now, you can just charge the balance.
Okay.
And then it charges it, and you say, oh, okay, great, thank you.
Would there be a way for all the drivers to log in to just the calendar, but not anything else?
Yeah, we would have to, that's an authorization thing that we'll fix. And so you
Okay.
just want them to see, you would just want them to see the calendar and that's it.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll write something to where their access only allows them to see the calendar.
Okay.
I have to figure it out, but,
Okay. Yeah. And then like
is there anything else that you'd want them to see?
Yeah, I was gonna say like customer information would be cool.
Okay, so you'd want them to see the customer info.
Yeah, like their phone number and address and all that.
Okay, so we can view details. This is phone, etc.
Okay.
Oh, there's something else I did that you wanted. Availability. Oh yeah. Did you play with this?
No, I didn't. I don't think I.
All right, let me
Block
show you.
afternoon.
So this,
Oh yeah, yeah. I think I did. Yeah, I can't. Yeah, it seems like it was under something else. Like I had to name rules or something, or that was that.
no, that's it. So you have a new override, and then you're either blocking time or removing a duration.
Yeah, yeah. I went through that. That was pretty easy.
Okay.
What was under? It said create a rule, and you had to keep on creating rules.
Pricing rules. This is pricing rules. So I need to double check.
Okay.
Because this is not going to work because
yeah,
it won't work the way it sits because we're not selecting dates. Like we have to be able to pick dates or times or like right now we're changing a rule and we need to add more specificity, but at the same time it's probably going to be handled under this pricing overrides as well.
Okay.
So I don't know exactly how. We'll just have to discuss it. You can play with it and see what it does. So you want them to see customers. They don't need, I'm the only driver now. They don't need to see, they just need to see a calendar. And then they need to see would you want them to see bookings or is that too much? Well, they could come here and then, nah, you don't want them to see bookings.
Yeah.
You want to see
what's on the calendar? If you click calendar, what pops up? I mean, click on that 10 a.m.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have to change it because if you want them to see the calendar, they can't. They could click full details and then get all this information.
Okay.
And the only thing is that you could charge the balance now, like.
Yeah.
But I can turn it off to where they can see things and they can do some stuff, but not other stuff. I'll just have to figure that part out. Those adjustments. I mean, I like the calendar. I mean, it's the same thing as what you have with Google, but it's just like it's more useful for you. Maybe I can publish like a driver only calendar that we give them access to, and then they have a custom like you have this whole admin page, and then like a driver's page. So all the drivers see is like a calendar that just gives them the information because they could click the calendar and they could go and they could see who this customer is right from there.
See, that's cool. Yeah.
Yeah. And so, but what we don't want them to do is view full details and then be able to charge the balance. So all they really need to see is the calendar. They can click it and get all the information they need. We just take away view full details. And so I would just have a driver calendar view.
Okay.
And then figure out how the drivers only see that calendar. They have access. They log in to that calendar.
And then would there be a place for like notes? Like, the client emails back and says, oh, the gate code is this. And our second stop, we want to go here, blah, blah, blah. Like an itinerary, something I can just.
So you mean from, let me see.
Like, okay, well, this has nothing to do with the booking software.
Who enters that information?
So okay, they booked a trip. They booked a trip. It's all done, and then they email back a week later. Oh, we always ask for the itinerary, and they don't always give it. But so when the customer emails back, oh, here's our itinerary. We want to go to these 3 stops, and I just copy it and paste it in the Google Calendar. So I need someplace, I can paste all the information. And then they'll send back 3 other emails. Oh, and by the way, we want this. And oh, by the way, here's the gate code. And oh, by the way, can you get there 10 minutes early and park around the corner? Just weird stuff.
And you put that in somewhere.
Yeah. They're just email. I mean, some people email 10 times before their trip. So it just knows.
I mean, you just want a consistent place to update it.
Yeah, exactly. Just somewhere to copy and paste all their stuff they send me.
All right, let me
like, I don't need it when they book. It has nothing to do when they book. It's just after.
It's after that. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Is there anything else? Well, that's quite a few changes.
Okay, yeah, let's just work on that.
So, we have getting the 20% thing off of that initial page, which I swear to God we had already done.
I think we just defaulted from 20% to no gratuity. So maybe
we did.
Really
we pulled the gratuity out, but somewhere in the back end, it's still it's sharing it on that front page, which we don't want to do. So we'll remove that. So it's good. And then we'll take I'm recording this. So I'll get all the notes and then make all the fixes one by one. I'm not going to have time during the day today. It'll probably be later tonight to do those.
Okay.
And then I can let you know. I'll just send you an email that I pushed it out, and then you can go and play around with it.
Okay.
And that way we'll have all of the at least the issues that we see now. We'll have them, and we can and push them out. And then we're just ever so closer.
Yeah.
We're getting closer. Now is the finishing touches of just finding stuff. There is
what I was trying to ask is, I mean, this is the real booking system. Like, when this goes live, whatever we're doing right now and changing that, yeah, we might make changes later, but that's what's going up, right?
Yeah.
So if I go through, if I spend 2 days going through every price an hour, I'm not wasting my time, right? I mean, it's going to be up. This is whatever we're doing here that's it. That's the booking system, right?
Yeah. So that is the booking system. Now let's explain a part that I have to test. So what I have not done is this is what I have to ask. So before you go in and spend any amount of time on anything, like changing pricing, which I don't think there's much, to be honest with you. I don't think there's much. You can go through and find them and change them, but just note what's done. What I'm going to say is that the back end database that I have a local database, and then I have a database that's in the cloud. So what I'm working on right now is on my computer. Everything you see is not in the cloud, it's on the computer.
Okay,
That's
I got you.
have access. So if I push it to the cloud, anything that was previously there, if you change something, it could override that, right? Because it's a new update. Now I can say, don't override this, don't override that, and we can do that. And honestly, I don't honestly think there's that much. It could be totally screwed, but I'm looking at it. I don't think so.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a goofy one. Like if you look at the 20 passenger, it's kind of goofy. Here, look.
The 20 passenger is goofy because the hourly price is weird.
Yeah. So I don't know what the hourly
is. It's 165 an hour, so it's not really symmetrical.
Oh, that's
150 is more symmetrical. You know what I mean? And even 175 an hour.
Okay, so it is. All right. Well, we'll just have to make sure. Now, there is one thing, that's the tours. The hourly pricing, you see what I've done here, right? Like you have a start.
Yeah, for the weekdays.
Yeah, you have a start thing and then you have another thing. So you're starting at 350 and then you add.
Yeah, which that's kind of weird. But
what's that? It's
starting
kind of what pricing is.
No, I'm saying no, it's weird on my end.
Oh.
I just wanted it to look symmetrical, like 350. You know, I could be like, well, it's 120 an hour, then all the I don't know, the numbers come out weird or something. Or if it's, whatever. It's no big deal.
Okay.
I mean, if I did 115 or 110 an hour, then 3 hours would be 330 instead of 350.
Yeah, no, I don't have a problem with it. It's
just
it's easy to do.
118 an hour, then it's like 3 hours is 342. It's just, so that's why I did it like that.
No, you have more control here.
Yeah.
I mean, you can easily bump things here. You can.
No, that's all. I mean, that's what I'm wanting. I can just.
Yeah, you can come in here and on the fly, you're like, we're going to go up to we're going to 400 base price.
Yeah. Gotcha.
I'm picking up my losses in the base price, and we're just going to do that. And then you're at 400 and 130 an hour,
right.
or whatever it is. But you can go in and on the fly just bang them out. I hope it's easier to make adjustments.
I mean, in Fair Harbor, I cannot make any
pricing adjustments.
Yeah, that's what.
Okay.
That's what I don't like.
Okay, so yeah, you can play around with this as much as you want.
Okay.
I just want to make sure that we've got to get this pricing override thing righted.
Okay.
Because you want control. Like, I just want to make sure that I heard you. I know I did. You have this availability thing, which allows you to block time, dates, buses, specifically the way you want it, all in this one little spot, and then name it so you know what it's called. It's not like you're having to. I watched you go through some of this stuff because I filmed you on Fair Harbor, and I watched you go through the processes. This is much faster and cleaner because it's all in one thing and you see everything.
Yeah.
Well, that one, I'm just going to hit edit, and then I'm going to just rename it and change the dates and call it something else. And then you update it and boom, you're done.
Okay.
So I think that from that standpoint, it's easier. All right. So I have everything recorded. You have, we'll fix the gap in the 20 in that. You'll look at the pricing. You'll change them. Whatever you change, just let me know what you did. So I have it. Just send me an email. Hey, on the 20 passenger 6 hour, I changed it from this to this.
Okay.
because if I don't want to lose that data, like you said,
Okay.
but if you do, and then if you think of anything else, let me know. But I'll make all these changes, and then I'll update everything to you. I don't know how complicated I will tell you this. I can make that calendar page for the drivers. That's not a problem. And then what we'll have to do is I'm going to have to tie this drivers tab to the calendar tab because they're going to have access. So we're going to give them their own little part that only that they see.
Okay.
Where the complication comes in is when we move it and we're doing the authorization in the cloud at Google Cloud, because it's going to be, are they just like you have to sign in, you put in your email and your password, and then you can sign in and then you have access. The same will be true for them.
Okay.
I just set up the table to do that, but it's in different areas, and you just got to you have to protect it. That's it.
Okay.
All right. Anything else?
No, I don't think so.
All right. I kind of like this the way this is working. It's a lot easier and faster.
Okay. Yeah.
I mean, going back and forth like this, it's much faster. We'll get more done. Okay. Okay, man.
Okay. Sounds good. Yeah. Send me the update or whatever so I can, just let me know when you upload it or whatever you have to do. And then I'll just start working on prices. Like this is, like I just do with Fair Harbor. And this is, it's real.
Okay.
And then, like I said, I'm going to change prices for the weekends and then block some stuff out. I think that, one pricing thing, I think the only pricing thing I really noticed that was off was the river trips were off, just to let you know, but I'll go in and change that and stuff.
Well, just whatever you change, let me know. Let's look at it.
Yeah.
Tour pricing. San Marcos river trip. I only have 2 durations. 7 hours, 750 and 970. What are they?
So currently, currently I only have 1 duration. That was the distinguishing thing. The San Marcos was 7 hours, and then New Braunfels was 8 hours.
Okay, so I only have New Braunfels as 8 hours.
Okay.
So the 10 passenger, but New Braunfels, San Marcos, I showed 2 different durations, and you're saying there's only 1?
Yeah, that could have been a Fair Harbor mistake, but there's only supposed to be 1. It's 7. If you want to go to San Marcos, you get 7 hours. If you want to go to New Braunfels, you get 8 hours.
All right,
and then so the New Braunfels was a little bit more.
Okay,
but I know, but the river trips are really cheap. Like I think I go on Fair Harbor, but I think like a 16 passenger, it's like 650. It's only like 650 or 750, so it's really cheap hourly.
For which one?
The 16 passenger
for San Marcos.
Yeah.
Let's show 840 and 1134, but you're saying it over here is different.
See, the whole okay. Trips.
So it's 700 on a week.
Yeah.
Day.
There's not a difference. It's 7. Okay. I'm looking on a weekend. It's 700. Yeah. $700 for a.
And what's the weekend?
Same thing. I don't think there's a difference. It's it's $700 on a Saturday.
And you want to keep it that way?
Yeah, for now. So the strategy on the river trips, okay. So like last spring, like April, May, we blocked off all the river trips because they were so cheap. You know, a 7-hour river trip is $700 on it for a 16 passenger. A 7-hour line tour is $1,050. So we're trying to just do the river trips for like the slow time during the summer, June, July, August, when we slow down. We're not doing wine tours as much. So we're just trying to do a cheap, like a cheap run.
Yeah.
Because $1,000 to go to San Marcos is a little expensive for a river trip. People aren't really willing to pay. But I couldn't be flexible on the pricing. So that's why now I could do the same price. Like if I can adjust the pricing.
Yeah, so it just, if you can see it updated that fast.
Yeah. So okay. No, that's cool.
We
okay.
just made that switch. San Marcos River trip. I got to get rid of the 8, but like the weekend I have it $975, but we can just, I have it at the weekday price is $750. All right, save changes. And that was which one? San Marcos?
Yeah.
No, it didn't update it properly. All right, it's pulling weird. This is weird. I got to get this database right. All right. The data's pulling weird. It's
okay.
And when we made that, I got to see where it's pulling from. I'll put all this in. I don't know what's happening, how it's pulling the data. I can see right here. It's something. It's a API request back to that. Okay. Let me do something real fast. Should be flipping price updates on the fly. It did update it, but it pulled a weird number. It's not, it says 700 and it's supposed to be $750. So it's pulling data from somewhere that's not correct, and that's
okay.
That's why there's another table that it's pulling from. Oh, look at this! Now I see 700. You want it to be what? How much?
I think that's what it's now. Yeah.
Okay, so it's supposed to be 700.
Yeah.
All right, hold on. All right. Well then, fuck, we were right. It's correct then.
Okay.
Shit. It just took a while to pick it up. 16, 7 hours, 9 a.m. All right, that's right. It's supposed to be 700, and it is 700. Never mind.
Okay.
It wasn't pulled. It was pulled right. I don't know what was going on. I think it was just a refresh, maybe.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry about scaring you.
It's okay.
All right. I'm going to stop presenting. Okay. I have to go. I have another meeting in 2 minutes. I've got this recording. I'll get all the changes. As soon as I make the changes, then I'll let you know. And then you can get in and start playing around. But just make sure if you can record.
I'll take notes.
Yeah, just take notes of what you do.
Okay.
So that we know. All right, man.
Okay. Thanks, Joe. Appreciate it.
All right, bye.